Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to show only Stripe for your expensive products in Shopify, right? If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel. For this, I'm using the Next Checkout Rules app from Shopify App Store. You can also install the app from Shopify App Store, or I also attach the link of this app in the description and in the first comment. So once you install the app, you can open the app, then you can click on create a payment rule. You can give a title like show only Stripe for expensive products. Expensive products is one of the example to show. So what we do is we add a condition. So our condition is expensive products, right? So it's better you can use product tags, and the product tag you can give in the list. I'm giving the tag expensive, right, for example. And when it's expensive product, we should hide all payment method except Stripe, right? So that's our condition, and we make it active and we make it save, right? So this is how you can make the rule. And since we used a product tag, we also need to tag those particular products. So from this, I'm taking this particular product as an expensive product, and I'm removing this tag and adding a expensive tag, right? So this is the one we added the product, and I'm just copying the product name. And now we can go to online store. We can search that particular product. So this is a product, and we click on buy now. And you can see Stripe is only visible for them, right? And if we check any other products, for example, we are doing this product, and you can see all other payment methods available. Stripe also available. We choose in a way they can use Stripe only for expensive product. Like for some products you need Stripe, you can do it like that. So if we click on buy now for this particular product, it's not tagged product. So you can see all other payment methods are available. So this is how you can do it. And if you find in this video helpful, please do share, subscribe to our channel. And I also attached the link of this app in the description. You can check it out.